Hi everyone. Now I'd like to create a link for the meeting, and let me go into the Zoom. So if I go to Google and type Zoom login, it's gonna come here. So this is the sign in to Zoom. Here you go. So now we can see is so this is the meeting created uh, for you. So it's gonna start for 4:30. Anyway, now I'd like to show you how to create a meeting. So if you come here, let's say here, so meetings, you will see this feature. So you need to click here, schedule a meeting. So once you click here, schedule a meeting, then you will get these activities, these facilities here. So all you need to do is you need to name a topic, that is, let's say, meeting with H and K. Meeting with H and K. So if you have got a meeting with someone else, if you know the name, so write down the name. Meeting with Adam, meeting with Yara, meeting with Amora, meeting with Ash. So this is how we need to write down here. So now this is the important thing. You need to put the time here. So for example, if the meeting is today 5 o'clock, that's fine. If you'd like to do the meeting tomorrow, so you need to select the date here, and then how long you're gonna do the meeting is here, right? So this is the thing. And next thing is, so if you'd like to create a personal general automatically, so these are the options: general automatically, personal meeting, passcode this, and waiting room. So if you'd like to create what is called permanent link, so you need to select here personal meeting, and then it's gonna give you passcode, and there is no waiting room. So this is the thing. And if you don't like to create the permanent link, that's fine as well. It's gonna create generate automatically, but I would recommend you generate the permanent link clicking here. So this is the password, and if you scroll down here, a lot of options here. I think we don't need it. So once you click here save, if I click here save, so it's gonna give me these options. You see invite link and all that stuff. So now you see the here option is copy invitation. If you click here copy, it's gonna give you a lot of information. Probably you don't need all the information. If someone wants to join from through the local phone and all that stuff, and this is the information, but all I need is this information. So I need this information: the link, meeting ID, and password. So once I copy it, that's it. So then let's say if I go to WhatsApp, and if I select here on WhatsApp, and then once I save the person name on WhatsApp, then I can send the link to the WhatsApp. And this is how you need to create the link and to send it. And once you send it here, let me go through. So here, so you have already. So then you need to start meeting here. So you need to click start meeting here. So once you click here, start meeting, then it's gonna come here, open zoom.us, click here, and it's gonna tell you to join with computer audio, or if you use the external audio, so join with computer audio. If you click here, so you are in the meeting room. So you have given this link to the student, and he knows the what is called participant ID and passcode. I'm not sure. When they click the link, they'll be required to provide his or not. Anyway, they know this information: passcode and participant ID. So if they click here, they'll come here, and so you make sure you started video here. So once you started video, you can see here. If you'd like to, if you see the background noise, you can mute yourself. You can unmute yourself. You can stop video. This is how you need to do this. So if you'd like to record it also, you need to click here, a record button, and it gives you two options. One is record on this computer, record to the cloud. So I always recommend you record on this computer. So if you need it to record, just record and ask for the permission that I'm recording it for what is called monitoring and training purposes. And otherwise this is fine as well. Or you can say, so whatever I'm saying to you, giving the training to you, I'm gonna send you the recording, is that okay? So probably they'll be happy to say yes. So yeah, this is how you need to do it. So thanks for watching this video, and talk to you soon, and see you soon in the meeting.